going on, world? Big John here. Another week of the Real Estate Roundup. I get this question a lot from a lot of home sellers is, can I sell my house as is? Like if it needs a little bit of lipstick, or what if it needs some light work, or maybe a heavy rehab, or maybe it's an older house that they haven't given much thought over the years and they still want to cash in on the equity. So the answer is absolutely yes. If you're wondering how, you're in the right place. Selling as is. How to list your home as is for a fast sale. Can it be done? It sure can. So let's find out how. So, the great question that you all want to know, who am I? I'm Jonathan, Big John Freeman. I'm a Hampton Roads native, award-winning children's author. I wrote an anti-bullying children's book. Proud husband. I got married in the pandemic. Uh, God bless our heart. And a fur dad of a Porky, Pomeranian, and a Yorkie, and hopefully your next real estate agent. So this is me when the world was all bright and I was just starting out on my athletic journey. Soccer player. They used to call me Young Pele. This is Big John in high school, right? You see the resemblance? It looks just like me. No, it's not The Rock. This is me in high school. I was a star athlete. And this is the happiest day ever when I married my beautiful wife on November 20th, 2020, in the pandemic. Best decision I ever made. So now, I guess the big question is, what are some of the reasons people want to sell as is, right? And when we say as is, we mean whatever condition that the home is in, right? Um, say, hopefully not, but things happen. A couple may be getting a divorce or separated. Somebody may land a perfectly new job across the country or another state. Financial hardship, things happen. You may need to sell to get out of a financial bind. Inheritance, right? So you may inherit a property that you don't plan on living in, or a property that you may have an extra property, right? That you may have inherited from a relative or someone close to you. What if you want to downsize, right? What if you raised all your children and you hope they don't come back? They go off to college and go get married, and then they move, and you're looking around like, we don't need these 5 bedrooms, right? Or we don't need these 3 bedrooms, right? Health issues or medical emergencies, we all never know what life is going to throw at us, so you just never know, right? And a distressed property. What is a distressed property? A distressed property is a home that may need some work, right? It may need a roof, or no one's lived in it, or it may need a little bit of lipstick on it, meaning cosmetic, or it may need a lot of lipstick on it. So these are some of the reasons why a seller would even contemplate choosing as is, right? Let's skip the hassle. Let's keep more cash in our pocket. What does that mean? What does that mean, Big John? I'll tell you. We can keep more cash in our pocket. We can avoid costly repairs and renovations, right? That take a toll on our pockets. We don't have to wait for contractors, no permit approvals, and you can save thousands of dollars. And that's without having to invest in updates like a kitchen or a bathroom, or siding or painting the property, right? These are all reasons and benefits why a seller may want to sell as is. Another great reason to sell as is, right? We all like cash money. We can tap into a network of cash buyers, right? These are investors who have the cash on hand and they can get the deal done, right? They won't have to worry about inspections or anything like that, right? They can buy the property as is. So we spoke about cash buyers, investors, right? Who are eager to purchase the home as is. Why are they eager? They're probably going to flip the property, right? They're probably going to do some renovations, whether it be heavy, whether it be light, do renovations on the property. Then they're going to put it on the market, or they may fix it up and turn it into a rental property, right? there's less negotiations too, right? There's fewer contingencies, right? So what does that mean, right? They won't have to wait on the approver of the lender, or they won't have to, pretty much have to wait on somebody to say, yes, I will give you the money, right? They already have the money to purchase the property, right? And this is, again, like I spoke about, ideal. This is ideal for fixer uppers and investors who are looking to invest in deals like this, right? Here's one of the best benefits of selling your home as is. We can sell faster, which will avoid delays. Like we spoke about, listing as is, it really appeals to motivated buyers, right? Who are ready to move fast. They usually can close in 30 days. There's no timelines for lengthy repairs. And the closeout terms, are pretty much in your ball court, right? No unexpected delays. So as we can see, there's many benefits to selling your home as is. We don't always have to invest thousands of dollars to get it to looking like 2025 standards, right? You do have options if you don't want to fix the house up. And I'm here to help. If you're in the Tidewater area, the 757, reach out to me and I can definitely help you with that. Again, my name is Big John. Have a great day.